In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Canva for Sublimation mug template. We'll start right inside Canva. Open a new design and choose Custom Size. Change the units to inches so your template matches real-world measurements. For a standard 11 Oz mug, enter either 9.5 by 4 inches or 8.75 by 3.75 inches. Both sizes are commonly used. The slightly larger one helps ensure full coverage from handle to handle, while the smaller one can be helpful if your printer has tighter margins. Set the canvas to landscape orientation, so it lays out like a wrap. With your canvas ready, it's time to build the design. Head to the Elements tab to add graphics, shapes, and icons, or bring in photos and your logo through uploads. Use the text tool for names, quotes, or branding. Keep the most important parts like faces, words, or focal graphics toward the center. The edges of a mug curve and meet at a seam, so centering helps prevent distortion or trimming. You can use Canva's alignment tools to center items, and leave a small safety area near the left and right edges to keep critical details from wrapping awkwardly. Before printing, it's helpful to see your art on a mug. Search mug in Elements to find mockups. Choose a simple, straight, on mockup so you can visualize spacing. Drag your design onto the mockup frame if it supports it. Or place it on top and adjust size and transparency to get a quick preview. This step is just for visualization, so you won't print the mockup. Only your flat wrap design. When your design includes any text or directional elements, you'll need to mirror it so it reads correctly after pressing. In Canva, select the artwork and use Flip. Then flip horizontal. If you have multiple pieces, group them first and mirror the entire design at once, so nothing gets missed. Now download it for printing. Go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a crisp result. Increase the size scaling to boost quality. Doubling or tripling the size helps, especially on a free account. Higher resolution reduces pixelation and keeps small text sharp. Finally, print and transfer. Send the mirrored design to your Sublimation printer on Sublimation paper. And follow your printer and paper guidelines. Wrap the print around the mug, align carefully, and secure it snugly to avoid gaps or ghosting. Use a heat press designed for mugs and follow the recommended settings for your equipment and materials. Once cooled, peel away the paper to reveal your finished mug. Thanks for watching.